Earth is mad. Regardless of where you are or what postcode you rep, look around and you'll clock eukaryotic and prokaryotic cells. Now you need to know two eukaryotic cells, animal cells and plant cells. Prokaryotic cells, as you can see here, are bare small, so let me make this a bit bigger. Blams! The outer layer is your cell wall. This strengthens and supports the next layer of your cell membrane, which controls what goes inside and out. The cytoplasm is the jelly inside where the chemical reactions happen. This loop of DNA is the genetic material, and these circular rings are called plasmids. Actually, quick side note, karyote is derived from the Greek word for nuts, no lie. So eukaryote means good nut or true nut, and prokaryote means before nuts. Anyway, now I'm sure you've seen this madness before. It's called standard form and it's just a way to play around with the decimals. We have three parts here. The coefficient on the left, the base, which is 10 unless the examiners are pagans, and the pick-me number on top called the exponent. Now wait, before you decide to lock off, it's actually pretty simple. For example, to write 120 in standard form, I need to get my three sections. The coefficient is the decimal on the left, and this number is usually smaller than 10, so in this example, it will be 1.20. Remember, the base is 10. Now to get the exponent, this is a measure of how many spaces we move the decimal to get our coefficient, and I just moved it 1, 2. So 120 in standard form is 1.20 times 10 to the power of 2. Now what about 72,100? The coefficient is always smaller than 10, so 7.21. But the base 10, and I move my decimal 1, 2, 3, 4. So together, that's 7.21 times 10 to the 4. We can also work backwards. Let's turn 5.0 times 10 to the 3 into a simple format. Remember, it's the decimal doing all the work here. So let's look at the exponent, my G. That's 3. Therefore, I move it 1, 2, 3 spaces. That gives us 5,000. But what going on here though? What is this negative, huh? No worries, man. As I said, it's the decimal doing all the work. In the last example, it moved to the right to give us a bigger number. When you have a negative, it tells you move it to the left to make it a smaller number. So -3 means 1, 2, 3 spaces to the left. Light work. If you're still baffed, check out the description for some more help in it. To summarize, today we saw two types of cells: eukaryotic or true nuts, and prokaryotics, before nuts. There are many more types, but one step at a time in it. We saw the structure of prokaryotic cells, and we also touched upon standard form a bit. Rewatch this video whenever you need to freshen up, and leave a like if you like what you saw. Peace.